Hey folks, Mark.Nored here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to tour a 2018 3113 Baystar Sport by Newmar. This is a great little coach. We got some great safety features on this, folks. We got the side cameras, we got the backup cameras in this little 3113 Baystar. Full paint, of course, Newmar quality. Come on down, we've got some decent little storage here. Nice slides, and this is a great floor plan, folks. Come on inside, let's take a look. Hey folks, again we're inside the Baystar this morning. We've got the great cabinetry by Newmar, all the accent lighting, great furniture colors, very neutral, it's a light tan. We've got a beautiful entertainment area with the table and chairs that actually expands. Real nice deep cabinetry. I love the countertop, how big this is. If you're out camping, traveling, it's nice to put a computer or a book down here and just not feel like you're really cluttered. I love the location of the TV as well. It's a mid-mount coach TV. We've got a great little kitchen here. Got the double sink, stainless steel, well insulated, not real tinny. You can tell it's the quality. Look at the countertop materials. Residential sinks. We've got the oven, cooktop, microwave combo, and what's really unique, folks, again with the Newmar, we're going to get the residential style microwave. We've got a lovely refrigerator. You come on back, one of the big features on this is being the fact that it's shorter coach. You've got one of the few coaches with a real nice king size bed laid out in a Baystar Sport. Again, you got your wood accent, real nice with the rear window that we've added to it. Get a little bit of daylight in there if you're traveling. You're looking short-term, long-term travels. It's nice to have a light and bright bedroom area. Lots of cabinetry, folks. Great bathroom. It's one of the unique things with this coach being small. It does, or shorter, it does have a large bath. Residential style showers, some cabinetry, room for towels and different things like that, folks. Hey folks, give me a call, Mark.Nored at Guaranty RV, and let me know how I can help you with a new RV. Make it a great day. Thank you.